Welcome home to 68 Oxbow Circuit, King Creek. This custom-designed masterpiece home is set on 15 acres of breathtaking beauty. This home is more than just a house. It is a dream, with its unique blend of entertainment, tranquility, and adventure for the whole family. Every inch of this home has been meticulously crafted for family enjoyment and peaceful living. It's not just a home, it's a lifestyle. This 5-bedroom home was designed for elegance and functionality. The spacious layout effortlessly blends comfort and style, making it perfect for everyday living. Imagine hosting guests as you take in the large lily pond, lush grounds and ever-changing backdrop of Bago Bluff. This stunning home has unique spaces that invites connections to the ever-changing views, bringing the outside in and nature to your doorstep. Step through the grand entry where a stone feature wall and the natural light streams into every corner through expansive glass, raked ceilings and architectural skylights. The heart of the home is a breathtaking open-plan kitchen, dining and family area designed with timeless elegance and light-filled spaces. This home offers a perfect balance of rural tranquility and urban convenience. This is more than a home. It's a lifestyle of unrivaled quality, space and luxury. Come and experience the magic for yourself. Your dream rural oasis awaits you.